Hi friends, welcome back. This is Manjuna Chandraya. Today's session we'll be learning how to use simple sorting, custom sorting, color sorting, as well as arranging the column headers in a order. So I have a data here, employee number, employee name, department, t-shirt size, working days, wages, and the color. The color is nothing but I've set the color based on the departments. Let's put a filters. For example, if I select the sales department, so I have a green color. So each department, so I've set the colors, right? So I need to sort the employee numbers. Let's remove the filters. So employee number is not in the order. So it's, you can see 100 here, and so I need to sort employee number on a ascending order, smallest to the biggest. So let's select the data, go to sort. On the sort, you can see the when you go to data and for sorting, you get this option box where it has add a level, delete a level, copy level, the option. So we'll discuss as we go. So let's select this simply. So now you can see column sort by, sort on, and the order. So column sort by is nothing but what column you need to sort. So here we need to sort the employee numbers. So sort on. So we have the let it be cell values. Order, on which order, on what order you want to sort the values. So we need to get the 100 on the top. So smallest to the big. So let it be smallest to the largest, right? On the top you can see this header, my data as headers. This is nothing but if you remove this, it will take the columns. It shows the column numbers, column name. So if you add this my data as the headers, it will take the on the top header and it will give the headers whichever easy to select. So always see that if you want to use this checkbox. So it will give the header what up. So we know what header we are selecting here. So select the employee numbers. So smallest to largest. Let's click OK. Now you can see it has sorted. Everything is sorted on the ascending order of the based on the employee numbers. So we have sorted the single column. We can also sort the multiple columns. Let's go sort. So you can add a level or a copy level. So what is the difference between add a level and the copy level is copy level is nothing but it's going to copy the same thing down. So let's say add level is nothing but it gives a blank option. Whereas copy level, it's going to copy the same thing down. So as you can see, sort by. First of all, you're going to sort by the employee number, then by what you want to give. Other column need to be sorted. Department. Let's say department. After department, say this t-shirt size. So let's add one more copy level. So keep it to t-shirt size. So it first you're going to sort this. If anything is left, it will going to sort on the department. Again on the next on the if anything is there, it will sort on the t-shirt size. So as you can see, the employee numbers is values. It is taking smallest to largest. These are the department. The t-shirts are the text. So it is taking A to Z. You can set it at Z to A. Let it be A to Z, A to Z. So sort. So now, since we already sorted this in the ascending order, let's change it to largest to sort smallest. Let's see. So now we can see it will sort this employee number. Then you see, and then it will go and check the department as well as the t-shirt size order. So you can do the multiple sorting here. Okay. Then let's move on. So I need to sort by the color. So I will set a color. So I want to see particular color on the top or on the bottom. So let's select the data. Go to sorting. Let's delete the old options. So I'm deleting the levels. Let's add a level column. So column nothing but we are going to sort the color column, G column. So I select the color. So in the sort on, you can see click on, you see a lot of options here. Select the cell color. Cell color is nothing but what is colored here. So let's color cell color. Once you click on this, it shows you a order here, and it has the 4 colors. Say if you say if your column G has say 10 colors, it will show you 10 colors here. Since I have only the 4 colors are there, it will going to show the 4 colors. So it is asking you to which one you want to sort. Let's say I want to sort by the yellow color. It sort all yellow color on the top. So you have selected on top. So let's click OK. Now see, you can see the yellow colors here. That everything should go on top. Now you can see it has gone top. But the rest of the colors it remains same. You see green here, and I guess some two green here and one here. That this works when you want to know. You need to check only the particular color department, so you can sort it by particular color. But I need to sort in a order. I need to keep the order, color order. So it's say yellow, green, then blue, then purple. So how can we do that? One shot sorting all colors. Select the data, go to sort again. So now I have selected yellow here, right? So let's say, let's put purple on the top. Then copy a color, copy level. So let's change it to, let's put blue, add a level. Then change it to green. Last one, let it keep it as yellow. So now we are setting this, everything is same color, cell color. So everything is on top order. So first, everything what are purple color, it will be on the top. Next will be the green color, then will be the green. Sorry, next will be the blue, then the green, then the yellow color. It will going to sort on the basis of this criteria. So click OK. Now you can see purple, blue, green, and yellow. So very simple, guys. And moreover, like if you have a color, you already set a color for something, you can sort it on the basis of this. Say if you are reporting something, sales report, the people who are met are in green, who are in average, you can put amber or yellow, orange color. The people who are not met the target, put it as green. So you can sort it on based on the colors. It's a very simple and very effective and useful tool. So now we are fine with the color combination sorting. So what is custom sorting? So let's go and sort it again. So already we have the data, so we'll delete the previous data. So custom sorting. So let's say add a value. I have a column D as a t-shirt size. So I need to sort this in a order. So say small, medium, large, and extra large. Let's try doing this t-shirt size D column. So I'm setting it small to A to Z. Click. Now you can see it has come as extra large, medium, and small. And moreover, it is sorting based on the first letter. So I need the small on the top. So it is not taking here. So we can set a customized sort. For that you can go to sort again, data, sort in this, in the order. Go to the order, you can see custom list. Click. So there is already a list called Sunday to Friday and the January to December. Not only see, you can see this, everything is already inbuilt. So we can add a new list here. So add, you can click add. So now you can go ahead and update. Say I need small, medium, large, extra large, right? So if you have more options, keep on adding by comma. So just click add here. So now it is added down here. So you can see the list here. So anything you want, if you want a new list, click this again. I keep on adding it, right? So we have added the list. Click OK. Now you can see this list here: small, medium, large, extra large, and otherwise also it has come extra large, large, medium, and small. So since we need in the small to the larger size, so I'm selecting small to medium. So I've selected the column as T size. So click OK now. Now you can see small, medium, large, extra large. Very simple, guys. Not only this, you can use this for the grades, school grades, say A plus. So you can keep anything. You can go ahead and customize your sorting list. Very effective and very useful function. The last but not least, to rearrange the column headers. So let's say, so let's just rearrange this column manually. Employee number, I'll just add it somewhere here, cut. So let's put the department on the first column, name into the wages. So color combination, we'll put it on somewhere here. So what basically I'm doing is I'm just moving the columns on a shuffling the columns here. So, so this column is not in the correct order. So what I'm expecting is employee number should be the first, name, department, then the t-shirt size, then the wage working days, then should be the wages, then finally the color. So it is in different order. I can't go ahead and do a manually selecting this particular column, cut pasting it to in a order. For that we can use the simple sorting to sort the order. For that you need to insert a row on the top. So insert a row. So now we need to rank the column or the order the column. So let's say, so first should be the employee number. So I'll put it as 1. Next should be the name. Next the department 3. Next should be size 4. Next should be the working days 5. Wages 6. And finally 7 as the color. So I have set the order which it should be. So now it is not in the right order. So let's select the entire data. Go to data, sort again. Now just delete the old options. So you can add a level, right? In this you can see the option called option here. Just click on this. So sort by top to bottom is nothing but it will go to sort by the column wise here. But this sort by left to right is nothing but it will go to sort by the row wise, like nothing but column. It will move the reshuffle the row. So if you select this left to right, click OK. So now I have select this option. Usually default will be sort top to bottom. So you need to go ahead and manually change it to left to right. Then see, you can see the row numbers. Select the row which you want to sort, because on the top row we need to sort the columns. So select this. It's asking for smallest to large or largest to small. Since we need it on a smallest to large, nothing but 1, 2 and so on. So select the smallest to large. Click OK. Now you can see employee number, name, everything is on the same order. T-shirt, working days, wages, color. You can set it for n number of columns. You need to give the numbers order, which order you want the column header, right? And just go ahead and delete the top. Very simple now, guys. So easy to sort your column header, rearrange your column header based on your requirement. Just inserting a row and adding the numbers. I hope this session was interesting and helpful. If you think this video was interesting, kindly like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more interesting videos and learnings. Thank you for your time. Happy learning.